What is variable inspection in Python debugging? Have you ever wondered how to figure out what is happening inside your Python program when it does not behave as expected? Variable inspection is a handy tool for this. It allows you to take a closer look at the values stored in your variables while your program is paused. This can be a game changer when you are trying to understand why your code is producing errors or unexpected results. When you debug Python code, you often set a breakpoint. A breakpoint is a specific point in your code where execution will stop. Once your program is paused at this point, you can inspect the variables to see what values they hold. This is where variable inspection comes into play. There are several ways to inspect variables. One of the simplest methods is to use print statements. By adding print statements in your code, you can output the values of variables at certain points. While this method is straightforward, it can become cumbersome for larger programs where you may have many variables to check. Another effective method is to use an interactive debugger. Python has a built-in debugger called the Python Debugger module. When you use this tool, you can pause execution and enter commands to inspect your variables. For example, after hitting a breakpoint, you can type a command like print variable name to see the current value of that variable. This can provide immediate feedback and help you understand what is going wrong. If you prefer a more visual approach, many integrated development environments or editors come with debugging support. Tools like Visual Studio or Visual Studio Code offer graphical interfaces that make it easy to view and modify variable values in real time. These environments often have special windows where you can monitor variables or evaluate expressions as your program runs. Variable inspection is essential for debugging because it gives you a clear view of your program's internal state. By checking the values of your variables, you can track down logical errors, understand how your program flows, and confirm that your variables hold the expected values at different stages of execution. This practice is a core part of debugging Python code effectively and helps ensure your program behaves as intended. In summary, variable inspection is about checking the contents of variables during debugging. It helps you diagnose and fix issues in your Python programs by showing you what data your code is working with at specific moments. So, the next time your code is not working right, remember to inspect those variables.